Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you exactly how to make a Tron transaction in CAT's 2025 minigame step by step and without any errors. So stick with me till the end. Let's get started. First, you'll need to install the Tkeeper app, and if you have not already, once it's installed, go ahead and complete the setup process. Next, we'll need to connect your Tkeeper wallet to the CAT's minigame. As soon as it's connected, the app automatically closes or redirect you to Telegram. Now open the CAT's minigame. If you see a transaction error, don't worry. Just pull down your notification bar and look for a message about the transaction. Tap on that notification. It will take you straight to the Tkeeper app where you can confirm your transaction. Once you have confirmed it, go back to the cat's minigame. If the coins have not shown up yet, just refresh the game and boom, the coins should appear in your account. And that's it. That's how you successfully make a Tron transaction in CAT 2025. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one as always, I promised.